Okay, a few things that you should know. Number one, the next recipe that I make will require meatballs, so this is why this recipe is meatballs. And two is that I got a haircut. What do you guys think? Alrighty, let's get started. I'm starting with a pound of ground beef in this bowl, and I'm also going to add a pound of Italian sausage. I like the garlic kind for this. And now you're going to add in your breadcrumbs. I do about 3 tablespoons. And the same amount of Parmesan cheese. For every pound of meat, I like to add in 1 egg, so here's 2. There's a lot of salt in the Italian sausage, so I'm just going to add just a pinch of pepper. Add in some parsley flakes, some onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder. This next ingredient is optional. It's at Trader Joe's. It's this mushroom powder that I just like to add a little bit in for a kick. And we're just going to mix that all to combine. And now let's give it a taste. Nope, not doing that. Now the best way to actually find out if your meatball is properly seasoned is by actually just making a mini meatball and just cooking it until it's done. And now we can give it a taste. Yeah, that's good. Rolling these out is going to take a while, so now I just suggest preheat your oven to 365 degrees. For now, I just have a little bit of oil in the pan, so now I'm just going to use a paper towel and just spread that all around. You can form it into whatever size ball you need, and we're going to check on them after 15 minutes in the oven. I made these meatballs pretty small, so I'm just going to give them a quick turn, just like so. And I'm just placing them back in the oven for another 5 minutes. And after a couple of minutes of cooling down, they're ready to be used. I just added a few to this marinara sauce right here. Place it over some pasta and dinner is served. However, we're going to be doing something else with them. So until then, I'm Jared Lendy with Small Bites. See ya.